What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and I want to show y'all one of the coolest things on Amazon, and maybe it's just cool for me. For you, it may be boring. So anyways, this is a bird bath, but it's not just any bird bath. This is a bird bath that you can actually hook up to your handrail on your deck. Just like my hooks, it goes on just like the hooks, the deck hooks that I purchased. I'll put a link in the description for that as well. You do get a user's manual, 1 page, and that's all you should need. You get your hardware. And here, I don't have no razor blade, you guys, so we're just gonna wing it out today. And this is a nice little design. From my first impression, this thing is heavy. Like, this thing actually has some weight to it. All right, and it's nice and coated. Usually if they miscoat it, like between the threads or something, you may get rust. These are not rust proof, you guys. This stuff is still metal. If birds scratch it or anything scratch it, rain gets on it, it's rusted. Forget about it, just repaint it. That's what I did with my other deck hooks out here. I just simply put some good old paint on it, and that's it. I think this is self-explanatory, but we are going to go over the instructions just in case. All right, so for 1, it says turn the screw. All right. 2, it says rotate the screw cap on the other end. Okay, so this needs to be upside down like this from what I see in the instructions. Okay, oh, I see. All right, definitely gonna need to take this off or take it out. This has threads on it right here. In the bottom of the bird bath has the female threads right there, and from what I see, it says twist on. So let's see. Number 2, it says rotate the screw cap on the other end. Oh, I get it. All right, so this goes on the dad. So this screws onto here. This is simple, you guys. Anybody can do this. All right, that's on tight. Now this cap right here, I believe is more like a protector. So basically they saying if you screw this on here, and also the inside of this have threads, you screw that in and screw that on the bottom just like that. And now when you put your bird bath on, you have this little flat cap right here to protect your railing. So that is pretty awesome right there. Now let's go ahead and check out one other thing before I put this up. Some people might ask. So you actually get 11 inches. Just wanted to show y'all that. All right, that is your inner. It's 11.5, and your outer is 13. All right, you guys, so I believe this is personal preference. If you want your bird bath to be more on the outside, then you will put it this way. If you want your bird bath more on the deck, then you will put it on this way. So I personally, I like it to be outside. As you know, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Oh wait, I'm upside down. So lefty loosey, righty tighty. All right, you guys, let me get my level and see where we at. It ain't that bad. I could live with it. Back here is level. I just wish it could be a little bit tighter. Every time I tighten it, it messes up. See? I'm gonna leave it alone just like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break it here, but I want to cut it properly. I don't want to make it look ugly. So that way I won't have no problems, and I could do my little fountain test in here, which I will show y'all that in a little bit. And then I can see the birds take a bath. All right, you guys, I had to cut y'all to this part of the video. So my final thoughts and opinions on this bird bath that hangs off your railing. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, if y'all have the traditional style railing like mine, it's kind of hard to put things like deck hooks and stuff on it. You actually have to do it in a certain type of skill. So like this deck hook is leaning, but this deck hook is straight. All right, so I have to try to configure this to be straight, but for some reason I keep tightening this, tighten, and it's not getting tight enough. So it's off balance. And I thought it was tight. I had it on real tight, but unfortunately, when I added water on, I put my my solar fountain in there, and in my new solar fountain, I put water in, and then it tumbled right on down onto the pavers, and it cracked my solar fountain. But the solar fountain still worked, but it's cracked. So there you go. All right, now if you have a flat style railing, if the top part of your railing is flat, then you're good to go with this. All right, I'm pretty sure you're good to go. But if you have the style railing like mine, where it's like grooved at the top, with this model, you might as well just forget about it. Okay, it's going to be hard trying to get this thing to stabilize. All right. And other than that, that's about it. Yeah, didn't work for me, but it may work for you. Link will be in the description. Like, comment, share, subscribe.